你们为了什么在这世界活着在这世界活着到底为了什么你们在等咕，现在布谷来了，把你一切给我，带给你的 World War。本该去学的孩子，却不懂将士如肉，像玩具商店，在顺游到处都是木偶，动作已被锁定就盲目跟着起步走，驾驶所有游戏，我的责任我来拯救。不应该多行胜走肉，可是谁能给谁保佑？谁又可以给谁诅咒？几千年进化也没有做到阻止人性出肉，环境边缘寻找出口，释放被驯化的野兽，等候被扯断的咽喉。残力的帝国逐渐迎来终楼。This is my world war。我帮助我的臣民解除困惑。This is my world war。This is my world war。我帮助我的臣民解除困惑。This is my world, world, world。This is my world war。我帮助我的臣民解除困惑。This is my world war。Yeah。This is my world war。This is my world war。Pound the bleeding ground, war drums echo destiny's sound, swords ignite with celestial flame, we carve our names in the book of fame. Can you hear the battle cry, rising where the fallen lie? The moon wears crimson tonight. Warriors of the storm, hearts beating armor through, we are born to fight till the last flame burns true. Blades singing wrath's hymn, in the eye of war we win. No surrender, no retreat. others drown in smoke. Every wound becomes a cloak. We are the fire, we are the flood, rising where others stood. When last star bleeds in sky, we'll meet the dawn with battle lights. The storm never dies. Blade singing Rat's hymn, in the eye of war we win. No surrender, no retreat, blood and thunder at our feet. Ghosts whisper through shattered shields, phoenix feathers crown the battlefield. Our scars write legends yet untold, fate's pendulum swings in hands of bold. Blade singing Rat's hymn, in the eye of war we win. No surrender, no retreat, blood and thunder at our feet. At our feet. Till the last flame burns true. Blade singing Rat's hymn, in the eye of war we win. No surrender, no retreat, blood and thunder at our feet. At our feet. Ghosts whisper through shattered shields, phoenix feathers crown the battlefield. Our scars write legends yet untold, fate's pendulum swings in hands of bold. Blade singing Rat's hymn.
I'm by myself, you don't know the feeling. There's so many want me gone, they want me dead, they wanna kill me. I hear gun sounds, they say they spun the block, they spin rounds, they tryna gun me down. Niggas can't compare to me at all, cause all these niggas clowns. Niggas turned they back when I was broke, look how they need me now. Gotta make them feel it, they try to leave me out. I said fuck it, a lot of people played me to the left when I had nothing. I'm a bonafide hustler, get out of line and I'm gon' cut you. Me, I'm about my paper, anything else, man, it's fucking. Money is the only thing we need to be discussing. Lately I've been on the road, running the money up, putting it in the safe. They tryna judge what I did, matter of fact, I sacrificed my life, but I made a way. They tryna pocket watch a nigga know I came up and that's making them feel away. I done had a lot of long days, made a penny stretch a fucking long way. I said fuck it every day, I gotta keep my Glock. Why so many people want my spot? Every day I'm fighting demons, why they won't leave me? And I said fuck it, chasing after this money until it killed me. My daddy was a hustler, always knew I was gonna be dealing. I'll be vulnerable alone.
Não cessa de fim de semana, vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Em quatro paredes, vai, vai, em quatro paredes, em quatro paredes, vai, vai, em quatro paredes.
Não cessa de fim de semana.